In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete order history on TikTok Shop using the best method available. Perhaps you've made a few purchases on TikTok Shop that you'd rather not leave a trail for, or maybe you like to keep your digital history neat and tidy. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. If you're not already there, open up the TikTok app on your device. It's the gateway to accessing the shop features you need. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the TikTok shop. You can do this by tapping on the small basket icon, which is usually present on your screen, or simply by going directly to shop from your account. Once you're in the TikTok shop, look for the search bar. It might seem a little strange to start there, but trust me, it's a key part of this process. By accessing the search functionality, you'll unlock all your order histories, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. In the search bar area, you should be able to view your order history right away. This is where TikTok keeps a record of everything you've bought, and revisiting this area is often necessary for managing your purchases. Now, with your order history open, you need to find the specific orders you want to delete. You can scroll through your history and pinpoint any item that you no longer wish to have on record. It's all about smoothly navigating through and identifying which entries are cluttering your history. With choices made, there are a couple of ways to remove these selected histories. If you just want to delete individual entries, look for the small X button next to each order. Clicking on that X allows for an efficient and straightforward deletion of specific items. For those of you who want to start fresh and get rid of the entire history, TikTok provides a handy clear all option. Simply click on that and it will prompt you to confirm the action. This can be particularly useful for those who prefer managing things in bulk, saving you time from deleting items one by one. After clicking clear all, a final confirmation will appear. This is your safety net, ensuring that you want to proceed with clearing all order histories. If you're sure, click clear again, and just like that, your order history will be erased. That's it. You've now successfully deleted your order history on TikTok Shop. Keep in mind this process may vary slightly depending on updates to the app, but the core steps should remain the same. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching and happy shopping or cleaning up your digital footprints.